What's up guys, Brickman284 and I'm back with another video, and today it's actually not on a custom mock. It's not a mock like, okay, it is a mock, but it's not trying to be a particular, everyone should know what that is. It's my first fire truck that I made on my own. Forgot. You need that. It's not my first truck I made on my own, but it's the first ever fire engine that didn't come in a set I made on my own. Normally my dad's into making these, which I'm cool. I'm cool with that. But I decided to make a try and I really like it. Here's the guy. Here's the driver. Probably seen him before in another set. His helmet fell off. And here's another firefighter. Just a nice female. But here's the main truck. As you can see, instead of my normal standard just like that, I actually put that. I had the choice of putting them at an angle because these jumper plates. This one's of course connected to a normal studs. Connected by normal studs. They both are connected by normal studs. These the curved ones, jumper plates. Anything that's like a normal standard straight one, rectangle, vertical, they're normal. They're connected by normal studs. Any horizontal like these, there's horizontal. They're connected by jumper plates. So let's actually get down into it. On the front, you got your siren. That's a siren. It looks like a water attachment, but that's where you really attach your hose. Get your hose in there. Hook it up to there. You got these. I forgot what they are, but they're basically, I don't know. On both sides, you got a handle, and then a handle. I guess not properly put on. You got your handle, only connected by one, and then you got 2x4 tiles. Make like good engine detailing. Then you just got a box in the back, except on here. This is your pump panel. Pull that out. Lift this up. You're sending water all through the truck. And this is basically a place where you connect a hose line or somewhere. Really, that is right there. And take that off. Nope, not all the way. Just take the stud off. Connect your hose. Hose to the Technic. And I used a Technic brick. Well, you know the idea. Connect that to there, and connect it to this hydrant. You got your lights here. The cab roof is plate built, so it's not your normal roof. It's connected by two 20 studs. I just counted it all up. 20 studs. You actually can fit your two firefighters in there. They sit quite comfortable. I mean, if I made it 8 wide, I can fit over 2 minifigs, at least 4 minifigures in there. They sit quite comfortably. Hold on. There we go. They sit quite comfortably in there. Probably his first time behind the rig. In here, you see basically, there's not really any interior in there. Not yet, at least. In here, there's a box. All it has is a chain in there. But here you have stoplights. These are basically stoplights facing down. But they also would flash. These stoplights would flash if they were running lights and sirens. They'd be flashing like, "Hey, stop behind, stop! Don't cut in front of me." It means I'm on my way to an emergency. Don't bother cutting in front of me. That's basically what it would mean. But that's my custom truck. Oh yeah, 2016 hose. Off topic from that. So if he would pull up with all these guys, this would be the truck that would stand out. That one would be the one that stood out. Why? Your angled lighting and your white cab. All my other trucks, red cab. Also, red cabin. Red cab, those are cop cars. All units of my station are red. Their cabs are basically red. This, however, is the white cab.